We have some big news coming in. Reports of Sushant's cook Neeraj being questioned currently by the CBI. CBI SIT team will be meeting DCP Bandra Abhishek Trimukhe as per protocol. In fact, now we hear that Sushant's cook. Reports suggest Sushant's cook Neeraj is being questioned currently by the CBI. Sushant's cook has been in the house, Sushant's house. He's been working for Sushant for a few years. He was present while at the time the death took place. CBI now calling in Sushant's cook Neeraj to be questioned first to try and see if there's been any malpractice, if there's been anything suspicious or curious that happened right before Sushant passed away. Here, of course, allegations of abatement to suicide. Also, the murder angle that's being looked into. Apart from abatement to suicide, was this also murder? Is what is being probed by the CBI. Of course, forensic reports, autopsy reports, all that have been procured by the Mumbai police. This is exactly what the CBI SI team is meeting the DCP Bandra Abhishek Trimukhe for. As per protocol, the CBI will be taking over all the information that has been collected by the Mumbai police so far. And all this will be used to go forward to intensify its probe. The CBI will be looking into every angle. In fact, all the documents and files have been asked from the Mumbai police, including the forensic evidence, the post-mortem report and statements recorded so far by the Mumbai police will all be accessed now by the CBI. Currently, the CBI interrogating, questioning Sushant's cook, Neeraj. Divyesh joining us for more details on this. Divyesh, Sushant's cook Neeraj has now been summoned for questioning by the CBI. Take us through Neeraj's role in this entire case. He was present, is it, at the house when Sushant passed away? What else is the CBI really looking forward to while asking Neeraj? How much do you think he would know here?
Remember, Neeraj was working for Sushant Singh Rajput since past few months, and he has been associated with him. He was staying with him in the same flat, and he was one of the key witnesses who first found out that Sushant had died. And as per his statement, it was Siddharth Peshani who saw the body initially after the door was opened with the help of a key slip, and then Neeraj and others also found out that Sushant in fact had died, and he had died due to hanging. So Neeraj's statement is very important in this case, and CBI initially will record all.
बातचीत करने की कोशिश करेंगे। आप देख सकते हैं सीबीआई के जो अधिकारी हैं वो यहाँ पर जा रहे हैं, सवाल पूछने की कोशिश करेंगे। आगे भी एक बार
यहाँ पर जा रही है। देखिए हाथ में वो डायरी भी है जिसमें नोट किया जाएगा कि क्या पूछताछ
Live shots coming in of the CBI. The CBI has just about set out to visit DCP Bandra Abhishek. This is a CBI team which India Today brings you glimpses of. They've all set to head out, investigate, procure details from the Mumbai police. This is live visuals coming in from Mumbai. Even as the CBI SI team arrives into Mumbai city, they are going to be probing into every angle of abatement to suicide, even professional rivalry, all the allegations that have been made by Sushant's family. The CBI there right present at the spot. They've just left the office. They're meeting with DCP of Bandra, Abhishek, to get all the details that they have investigated into for the last 2 months. This is a CBI team, a 5-member team who will be thoroughly investigating into all angles into Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Allegations of abatement to suicide will be thoroughly investigated.
इसके बारे में ओवरऑल जानकारी लेगी और सीबीआई की अलग-अलग टीम्स जो हैं वो बना दी गई हैं। फोरेंसिक टीम अलग है और बाकी इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स की जो टीम थी वो अलग है जो यहाँ से अभी निकली है। Camera person Sameer Shanbag के साथ
Pankaj Upadhyay there bringing us live updates of the CBI who've just arrived at Mumbai. CBI SIT team who's been now quite adamant on trying to find the truth out. In fact, the Supreme Court itself handed over the case to the CBI. They look very confident. They've headed out to meet with the DCP of Mumbai, Abhishek, who they will be procuring all the details which the Mumbai police have gathered over the last 2 months. Divyesh joining us for more details. Divyesh, you've been tracking the CBI. The CBI has just set out. They're meeting with the Bandra DCP, Abhishek Trimukhe. All the details, including the forensic report, the autopsy report, the crime scene will be thoroughly investigated. Mumbai police now have to cooperate as per the Supreme Court's order. You also mentioned how the Mumbai police has been quite welcoming with this regard. They have committed to cooperating with the CBI.
Remember, Nabila, the Bandra DCP, Mr. Abhishek Trimuke, has just arrived in his office. He has just arrived, and after that, there will be a CBI team who will be meeting Mr. Trimuke as well for the handover of the case. And Mr. Trimuke was the supervising officer in this case, and Bandra police had been investigating in connection with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. They had recorded statements of 56 witnesses, and after that, there were several evidences, the forensic evidence, the corroborative evidence that was collected from the flat itself, and other than that, the spot punchnama and various other details, the CDR, the mobile analysis, everything had been done by Mumbai Police through Maharashtra Cyber Lab, and also the autopsy report, which is very important, the autopsy report and the Viscera report that has been brought in from the Farina Forensic Laboratory. That will be brought up from Mumbai Police, and that is why the CBI team will be meeting DCP Abhishek Trimuke, who has just arrived at his office.
Right. Divyesh, if you can take us through the images that we see here on our screens. CBI team involves a few officers. Take us through the officers. How many officers are there? A small glimpse into who are those officers who are probing into this case.
There are 6 officers, and there is also a backup team of forensic experts who's traveling with, which is traveled from Delhi to Mumbai. Initially, 2 officers and 3 forensic experts had arrived in Mumbai last evening, while second team will be arriving today. So this is a total of a 6-member team that has been created by the Central Bureau of Investigation to investigate this case. And the 2-member team has already arrived in Mumbai. They've already called Neeraj Singh, the cook, who's been summoned to record his statement. He'll be grilled, he'll be questioned on what had happened on June 14th, the day when Sushant Singh was found dead in his flat. Other than that, there will be other people who will be summoned, who will be questioned, and summons will be issued by CBI. Meanwhile, another team of CBI will be meeting the DCP of Bandra, Zone 9 of Mumbai Police, Abhishek Trimuke, who we just said that he has just arrived at his office.
Right, Divyesh, we understand the CBI team, about 10 of them, along with forensic experts there, have arrived in Mumbai. In fact, last evening itself, they have now set out to meet with the Mumbai police to try and get more details with regards to the forensic reports, the autopsy reports. They're also going to be visiting Sushant's house in Bandra to try and recreate the entire crime scene to see if there's been any foul play. The CBI is quite focused. They have now, also one thing is quite clear is that the CBI who's arrived into Mumbai will not have to face home quarantine, will not have to face quarantine period as per the Mumbai police. They've been given exemption. Now, that was also one controversy that that really derailed the investigation when the Patna police had come into Mumbai. The SP was forced into quarantine at that time. Here, now the CBI making it very clear, a formal letter that was sent out to the Mumbai police. The Mumbai police have accepted, the BMC have accepted that since they are on official work, they will not have to go through quarantine period. Therefore, CBI has now taken off. They're dived into the investigation. They've now met with the Mumbai police. They're taking details of all that investigation that has taken place over the last 2 months by the Mumbai police, including all those stakeholders who the Mumbai police had questioned over the last 2 months. Remember, over 60 days questioning had taken place by the Mumbai police, but most likely only the angle of nepotism or professional rivalry was being looked at by the Mumbai police. Of course, right at 2 months later, quite literally, after Sushant's family members filed an FIR with the Patna police, only then did the investigation take another turn of abatement to suicide in terms of Riya Chakravarti there being the prime accused. Riya Chakravarti has also been accused of money laundering. She's been accused of cheating Sushant Singh Rajput mentally, and also of stealing his money as per family members of Sushant. And that's the probe angle which is going to be crucial here. Riya being the prime suspect, prime accused of abatement to suicide or abating Sushant to suicide, and also into money laundering allegations, which the CBI is now investigating along with the Enforcement Directorate. Now we have more stakeholders here who've been pulled up, whose names have been doing the rounds, now making statements and giving their 2 cents. Let's take a quick listen.